Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Ford Fusion SE. It's got some great features we're going to go over. First thing you'll notice is the fog lamps here at the bottom. As we come around to the side, you're going to see these really nice 18-inch black painted wheels. And then of course, like all our Ford vehicles, we've got the easy fuel system here. You don't have to worry about that pesky cap anymore. Fuel system goes right in. You're able to get some gas. The next thing with this sportier package, you do get the rear spoiler, another great feature on the SE Fusion. Let's check out the interior. The powered moonroof. It's going to be great for those summer drives, which are right ahead of us. And then if you take a look here on the steering wheel, we've got the adaptive cruise control. This is going to be really nice for any long road trips you're going on. This is a really nice vehicle. It drives really well. Some of the interior features that are really nice, especially like we were talking the long trips, is going to be the navigation system here on the touch screen. We're going to be able to put in our destination and it'll give us a route to get there. The 8-inch touchscreen with the Sync 3 is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That's going to be great for bringing over if you like to listen to music or audiobooks. All your compatible apps will show up on the touchscreen as well. Then we'll talk a little bit about the engine. So we have a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine in this vehicle. It's going to have 181 horsepower and get really good fuel economy. We're looking at 34 miles a gallon on the highway and 24 in the city. So you won't have any trouble merging out on the interstate. It's really got a lot of get up and go. All right, folks, as always, I appreciate you watching our videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to our station here and check out our website at heritagefd.com. Again, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford. Have a great day.